Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Youxuan. Our channel is a channel focused on teaching Zhuyin phonetic symbols Mandarin. Well, talking about learning a new language is the most likely thing that makes us feel we need to hear and speak clearly. But it's difficult to respond to numbers immediately. So in this lesson, I'm going to iterate the numbers 2 times with twice the average speed and once half a regular rate in Mandarin. Then pronounce them in English, giving you more time to try and adjust your accent. In this lesson, we will practice numbers 1 to 30 first. Please look at the Chinese characters or Zhuyin phonetic symbols and follow me to pronounce their pronunciation. Let's start. 数字，数字，数字。Number 0，0，0，0，一，一，1，2，2，2，3，3，3，3， 3，4，4，4， 4，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5，5， 5 5 6 6 6 6 7 7 7 7 8 8 8 8 9 9 9 9 10 10 10 10 11 11 11 11 12 12 12 12 13 13 13 13 14 14 14 14 15 15 15 15 16 16 16 16 17 17 17 17 18 18 18 18 19 19 19 19 20 20 20 20 21 21 21 21 22 十二22 22 23 23 23 24 24 24 25 25 25 26 26 26 27 27 27 27 28 28 28 28 29 29 29 29 30 30 30 30 Okay, now let's have a pop quiz. We will see how many Chinese numbers you memorized. Please look at the 注音 or pinyin phonetic symbols of Chinese characters in the picture. I first pronounce the English pronunciation of the numbers on the picture, and then please translate them into Mandarin. Let's start. 6 6 14 14 2 2 25 25 20 20 8 8 0 0 21 21 7 7 27 27 4 4 16 16 22 22 23 23 10 10 17 17 30 30 1 1 13 13 24 24 9 9 26 26 18 18 number 数字 29 29 19 19 3 3 12 12 5 5 28 28 Okay, we practiced the first 13 numbers today, and the others, please check out following video. In addition, to help you memorize the numbers in Chinese characters, I made a copybook for you. You may download the PDF directly, and the link is in the description box. Okay, that's all for today. Make sure to come back for part 2. If you have any question about the course, suggestions, or comments, please leave a message to me. And please remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next episode.